Actually, I'm not sure which way to go. I'll turn in here and ask directions.
Yes, I still have the Perfect Man doll. Bought it for my wife years ago. Having one of those days. Hey everybody, today I'm going to teach you how to get an ID.me. And what that does is it allows you as a veteran to verify that you're a veteran to some of the websites like LinkedIn. It's real easy, real simple. I actually don't even have one. So today, as I'm doing it with you, I'm actually logging in to get my own. And there's other websites, and on ID.me, they actually have the companies like Oakley and all those other ones that have the discounts, and you can actually go through their website to find them and how much they give you on a discount. So let's hop over to the laptop again and go check it out. So I do have an account. Did not realize I did, but I do. But that's okay. We're going to do this step by step. ID.me. Click on it. Now you're going to come to this page. There's a lot of really neat things on this page, but what I want to show you, which is really interesting, is up here where it says idme.shop at the very top there, the first one. Click on it. And the reason I want to do this is because it's going to be a lot easier to show you different things. Now, sign up, sign in. I'm going to go over here just because I'm going to step by step with you. This is where you put your email in, you put your password in, got it, confirm password, you accept, hit sign up. Or Facebook, Google, and LinkedIn. You don't have to put that in there. Now, I have one already. Now, when you sign up, this is just giving you an account, and they're going to verify your account. Then you sign back in. This still doesn't give you the benefits yet. You got to hold on with me. I'm going to go ahead and sign in. Yes, it's blurred out. You can't see. Now, it's going to bring us there. You are now returning to ID.me. This is a great website, by the way. Scroll down a little bit, all these discounts, and it takes you to it. To verify or get verification of military, up here in the right-hand corner, see where it says, Hi Anthony, my account? In the right-hand corner, click on it. Now, it's going to bring you to this page. And yes, some of it's blurred out because it's personal information. On the right-hand side, you see where it says My IDs. Okay? On yours, it's probably blank. I'm guessing. It should be blank. So right here where it says Manage IDs, I believe I can do it from here, or you might even have where you add them on. But I'm going to go ahead and click on Manage IDs. This is where it's verified for me. Okay? You'll have all these ads down here. Mine's been verified, and my identity where I live has been verified. But I'll give you an example. Okay? Let's go here, government. I'll click add. Verifying your government employee status is fast and easy. Once verified, you receive notification by email and verify blah, blah, blah. You click begin. You do the same thing. Come over here to nurse, click on nurse. Same thing, who's eligible, verifying documentation. It goes through all these steps, so it's real easy to go through. And then once done, you have this. Okay, it's real easy. Now once this is done, and you're verified that you were in the military, that you're a veteran, on places like LinkedIn, I did a video on that as well, you'll be able to log in using that. Some of the other websites, all right, let me go back. Now, this is one I love. I love this. Why? Because Under Armour, military, 40% off for military. Shop now. It's going to bring everything down. Look at this. You get discounts on their stuff, and it shows you what you get discounts on. All right, goes through everything. So those are just some of the little things they have. Technology, lifestyle, travel, sports and outdoors, health and beauty. I mean, they have everything here. And it's all here because the ID.me has it. Now, remember, you can't use this for government side. All right? Only verifying that you're a veteran. And it's real easy, and it's simple. So,
I love you.
I can't get enough. All right, guys. So since we did that, that threw me off. Now that we've done all of that, you'll be able to go on those websites and verify that you're a veteran. It's real easy, real simple. Hope you enjoyed it. If you want some more stuff done that you can't think of, I have a lot, trust me. I've got a lot coming. I'm not going to just throw them all out at you at one time. But if you have some suggestions that you would like to see or need help with, please reach out to me. Comment down below, let me know. I really appreciate you guys reaching out, and not just on the comments down below. Some of you are reaching through other social media and whatnot. So appreciate you guys. Thank you very much, and we will see you soon.
Yes, dear.
See you guys.